What's it doing?
Oh, great! It's now coming after me!
Damn, it's chasing me. What? Stop. I don't want to hurt you. But I will. I will crush you like... About... Mimi, no. I can handle this. Go to the village. Save yourself. No, stop!
If you scream, may Tika attack. If you're calm, may Tika nice. But Kukuve always me.
Who's Kukuve?
Oh, this place is a nightmare! Huh? Oh, no. Oh, girl, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. That was an accident. Come here. Come here. Go. Come on. Go.
I was thinking about taking tomorrow morning off.
Yes, that's a great idea. Whatever you'd like to do, because then it would just be you and me, wouldn't it?
Snap out of it. Come on, Coco. You're killing me. Wake up. Coco, what's that? It's a mouse. Go get it.
Oh.